we get time now for here. Now, so one way it pass my power. That man with the question send a tango, it don't pass your power. We born picking, we picking them. He born picking, we two picking. So tell the happy. Say it two get picking them, now a woman them. They don't born picking, they get picking, they say yes, if papa na so. They don't catch them now. They be there for court on the 13th. That say last Friday. But the one I want to tell you now, it pass mon entendement. When I hear me, I put a France for day. When I know say the matter, it don't budget. The matter don't budget to the point where we don't feel understand. Because say the kind of thing, nothing way, even a vomit small. How man, if he born Pekin, he rape all the Pekin there. 6 Pekin. He rape his 6 Pekin there. Even the smallest one where they 14 months, he rape him. When I show say a human being, they act that kind of act so. Now so it don't pass people. Now so Cameroon woman, where he married some Nigerian man. So now so the story come out to not be say any problem discrimination they. Now the story we just tell now the story the way the story come out. Now they don't born 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 picking. Now get them. Papa for the picking them, he don't take them. The first one he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the second one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the third one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the fourth one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the fifth one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. Even the one where they 14 months, he take her, he put her for down, he sleep with her. The one, now wonderful thing. And the way they look at him, the story, and they say, he gets small muru, they try to bribe justice, judge them, all the justices them, they try to corrupt them, but the matter don't go reach for way, they must denounce him, so that middle man, he answer. He must answer, because the way he do, he not correct. He not correct the way he do. They must sanction it for the way he do. Okay, wonderful parabad. You picking it on your woman, or you picking them, turn your woman, so they look them, they be a woman for you before, so they move, undress yourself, undress them, climb table, we are picking your own picking your blood where you born am. Hey, go back to I don't talk now for that country talk when they call I say kaipoko paiko. Now kaipoko kaiko country talk that. That means when you don't pass you, you talk for kaiko paiko country talk. Hey, massa. Oi, no. The one he pass. That's why they call us say attendement.